What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, hope you're all doing great and welcome to this daily Ethereum update, which is not that much of a bullish update. I think most of you are probably feeling pretty good about the market right now because most altcoins, or at least a lot of altcoins, actually performed fairly well, and Bitcoin especially. Bitcoin had quite a big bullish move, as you can see. You can also see it in the top 100. Bitcoin is up about 4%. Ethereum is also up 2.5%, but it's lagging a little bit behind Bitcoin. And as you can see, we are just at the highs we also made on Monday and on Saturday morning, around the 236 fib with the 200 EMA. Technically a very strong resistance level, but you would expect with momentum like this that we could break above that. And Ethereum is not doing that, and that's a little bit of a bad sign, I think, and perhaps also means that we will see more bearish momentum in the near future. So that's what I wanted to talk about in this video. Now, before we get into the rest of Ethereum and Ethereum specifically, if you want to receive daily trading signals by me, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment. And there you'll find instructions on how to join my profitable trading signal group. But now onto Ethereum. So the thing is, I mean, first of all, technically we are still very bearish, even though we are up 2%. That just looks great, but then you also have to take into account that we almost had a bearish breakout yesterday. And I also said in the video, we were very close to breaking below like 1800 and 1805. We touched at the very lowest point, we touched 1800 on most exchanges actually. So from there we bounced back up due to some bullish momentum in the markets, just for well, probably not for no reason, but for no identifiable reason. But right now the market structure really still is bearish, and we have this huge bearish drop. We have a little bit of a consolidation, a little bit of a bearish flag perhaps, and then we'll continue dropping down. That looks still like the most likely scenario for Ethereum. Now, we can break out of that, all right? And that's what I wanted to talk about. But the only way in which we could break out of that is if we, right now, we'll probably drop down a bit more, down to that 1840 level. If from there we can actually break above our main resistance, around 1880, with that 236 fib and the 200 EMA, if we can break above that and get to 1920, 1940, then arguably I think we are actually in a better place. We're not bullish yet, because to be bullish again with Ethereum, I think we would need to break above 1920. And there you also have a lot of resistance, the 382 fib. So altogether, I'm just not that positive about Ethereum. That mainly has to do with the with the technicals. I mean, if Bitcoin right now gets a move up to 29,000, Ethereum is going to follow that, but Ethereum is not going to break above 1920. So altogether, if we can now actually find some support at 1840 and break above 1880, then we have a small chance of becoming bullish again and actually getting some sort of a bullish breakout. But for now, the most likely scenario, in my opinion, and according to my analysis, still is that even if we do that, we'll just find resistance, consolidate in this area between 1920 and 1820, or 1800, I should say, and that we will receive more bearish momentum somewhere in the next week, break down below 1800 and start our drop towards 1720 and 1700. One of the main reasons I think why we are bearish like this is because we were also more bullish than Bitcoin in the last couple of weeks, and perhaps it also has something to do with the withdrawal of Ethereum right now, which quite a lot is being withdrawn right now. So those are all things you should should take into account. But this is at least what I think is most likely. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.